So, you've heard of Monzo, right? The digital bank that's been making waves in the financial world. But have you ever wondered if it's a full bank? Let's dive in and find out. What is a full bank? Before we get into Monzo, let's clarify what we mean by a full bank. Traditionally, a full bank is a financial institution that offers a wide range of services, including current accounts, savings accounts, loans, mortgages, personal loans, etc., credit cards, investment products. Basically, a full bank is your one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Monzo's core offerings. Now, let's take a look at what Monzo offers. At its core, Monzo is a digital current account. That means you can open an account online or through their app, manage your money using your smartphone, make payments, transfer funds, and check your balance easily. While this might seem limited compared to a traditional bank, Monzo has been adding more features over time. Monzo's expanding services. In recent years, Monzo has expanded its services to include savings pots. These are like mini savings accounts within your main account, allowing you to set aside money for specific goals. Joint accounts, perfect for sharing finances with partners or roommates. Business accounts, for small businesses and freelancers. Overdraft facilities. While not as extensive as traditional banks, Monzo does offer overdrafts. As you can see, Monzo is gradually becoming more comprehensive. Comparison to traditional banks. So, how does Monzo compare to traditional banks? Here's a breakdown. Fees. Monzo is generally fee-free, while traditional banks often charge for various services. Accessibility. Monzo is highly accessible, with everything managed through an app. Traditional banks often require in-person visits. Customer service. Both Monzo and traditional banks offer customer support, but the methods may differ. While Monzo may not have the same range of services as a large, traditional bank, it offers a more convenient and often cheaper alternative. The future of Monzo. As technology continues to advance, it's likely that Monzo and other digital banks will continue to expand their offerings. We could see them entering areas like mortgages, investments, and even insurance. So, while Monzo might not be a full bank today, it's certainly on its way to becoming a more comprehensive financial institution. Conclusion. To answer the question, is Monzo a full bank? Not quite yet. However, it's rapidly expanding its services and becoming a more attractive option for those looking for a convenient and fee-free banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, *.